Welcome to Infortrend Technology World, and thank you for joining us. Infortrend is a leading data storage manufacturer with over 25 years of experience providing the industry's most reliable and highest quality storage arrays. Infortrend was established in 1993 and publicly listed on the Taiwan Stock Exchange in 2002. Our headquarters and manufacturing plant is located in Taiwan, but we have offices located in the UK, USA, Germany, Japan and China, and we employ over 500 members of staff worldwide. At the end of 2019, Infortrend was worth $92 million, showing that we are financially stable and a secure storage vendor. So what makes us different? With over 25 years of data storage experience in RAID technology, Infortrend has deployed more than 1 million rack-mounted systems worldwide. We have a large team of product development specialists who not only researches the latest in storage technology, but they also design and manufacture all of our products with no need to outsource, which gives us complete control over the entire process and which makes us unique. Within the last decade, the Storage Performance Council has proven that we are one of the strongest price performance leaders in the market. Infortrend has received industry recognised media awards across the globe, from IT Pro, CIO Review to Gartner Magic Quadrant. Infortrend has proven over the years the quality and cost effectiveness of its storage products. Infortrend is a world-leading storage expert who provides complete storage solutions for the media and entertainment industry, HPC data centres and the surveillance market, all of which are data hungry and requires high performance, reliable and scalable solutions. We have also partnered with the leading third-party complementary vendors in each vertical, reaffirming our statement that we are working with the best to offer the best complete solution. From SAN storage, unified storage, scale-out NAS to storage server, we really do provide a broad product line to meet the needs of any data storage application. Take a look at what our customers think of us, and you'll learn how Infortrend not only provides cost-effective storage solutions, but also the robustness and reliability of our products. Want to know more about us? Follow us on our website, www.infortrend.com, go onto our LinkedIn page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.